Fog seals are used by many of the best pavement managers to reduce long-term life cycle costs. By proactively applying fog seals to newer pavements in good condition, we can minimize and delay the amount of surface cracking, oxidation, and raveling that requires more expensive repairs. Establishing a program to reapply the fog seal every 2 to 4 years can postpone the need for costly milling and repaving. Asphalt-based materials can seal small cracks from water intrusion and shield the surface from damaging UV rays. Rejuvenators are used to soften the aged and hardened asphalt cement, restore flexibility, and reduce cracking. A light dusting of black angular aggregate is broadcast over the fresh fog seal to maintain safe surface friction. Our experienced crews perform work in a neat, professional manner and are usually able to restore traffic to the treated roadway within 1 hour. Don't wait for cracking and other damage to occur before treating your roads. Proactively apply fog seals to good pavements to keep them in good condition and save taxpayers money. Crack sealing is widely considered to be the most cost-effective preventative maintenance tool available today. When installed in a timely fashion, crack sealing can easily extend the life of a road by 2 to 5 years at a relatively minimal cost. At Indus, we pride ourselves on offering the highest quality, longest-lasting crack seal treatments in the Northeast. Our certified installers know crack preparation is critical to sealant success and use hot air lances and high-velocity compressed air to do the job right. Maintaining the sealant at a constant, high temperature is essential to the sealant's durability. Our custom-built trucks allow our crews to keep over 1,000 gallons of material uniformly heated. The modified asphalt sealants we use are usually blended with reinforcing fibers and are designed to perform over a wide range of pavement temperature extremes. Our certified installers apply a liquid or granular DTAC agent over the freshly applied sealant so that traffic can be restored quickly. By keeping water and incompressible materials from entering and damaging the pavement, crack sealing is a vital tool that should be in every pavement manager's toolbox. Microsurfacing is a durable and cost-effective preventive maintenance tool designed to keep good roads in good condition. By applying this surface treatment before a pavement becomes too cracked and raveled, road owners can reduce annualized repair costs by as much as 44%. In 2018, Indus became the first ASHTO certified microsurfacing contractor in the U.S., and we use only the highest quality materials, modern equipment, and professional certified personnel to provide the longest lasting microsurfacing possible. For best performance, roadways selected for microsurfacing should have low to moderate levels of distresses. Preparation before microsurfacing usually includes patching repair of any isolated potholes or areas of fatigue cracking, crack sealing of any remaining cracks, removal of heavy pavement markings, thorough cleaning of the roadway surface, and masking of the utility castings. The paving materials consist primarily of high-quality, 100% crushed aggregate and polymer-modified asphalt emulsion. Many of our microsurfacing clients are currently specifying emulsion with higher polymer content, referred to as HYMA Micro, for its added durability and longer service life. The aggregate, emulsion, and other ingredients are carefully proportioned and blended by our state-of-the-art continuous pavers based on project-specific mix designs which have been developed by an ASHTO-accredited lab. Our micro superintendents and key personnel on the crews are also ASHTO certified and follow a rigorous quality control plan on each and every job to ensure our clients receive the best workmanship possible. Quick chemically setting emulsions allow a fast return to traffic, usually less than 1 hour, and also allow nighttime applications where appropriate. Most microsurfacing applications are pavement preservation projects done in 2 passes, starting with a leveling course, which can solve minor rutting issues, followed by a wearing course. With a total combined thickness of about 3/8 of an inch, these thin lifts minimize the loss of curb reveal and eliminate the need to adjust most utility structures. Microsurfacing can also be used to seal and provide a wearing surface over hot and cold recycled pavements, as the wearing course over hot mix leveling and binder layers on more major rehabilitation projects, and over chip seals as the second phase of the 2-step Cape Seal process. Additional benefits of using microsurfacing include reduced environmental impacts, a smooth, black, aesthetically pleasing appearance, and increased skid resistance to improve safety. But the primary reason the best pavement managers use microsurfacing is to stop moisture intrusion and stop UV damage, which leads to raveling. By taking this proactive approach to cost-effectively protect pavements and extend roadway life by 6 to 10 years, agencies can achieve substantial savings and reduce the frequency of costly milling and repaving. Cape seals are a 2-step combination treatment for cost-effectively restoring moderately distressed pavements. Step 1 of the Cape seal process is the application of a chip seal, and Step 2 is covering the chip seal's exposed aggregate with a microsurfacing wearing course. Originating in the 1950s in the Cape province of South Africa, and thus the name Cape Seal, this composite solution is becoming increasingly popular as communities search for more economical alternatives than traditional mill and fill. Cape seals are most appropriate on roads rated in fair to good condition and are often used in lieu of hot mix asphalt overlays and shallow mill and fills. On moderately distressed roads like this, where either a chip seal or microsurfacing treatment alone might not be adequate, the two-layer composite Cape seal system with its flexible chip seal interlayer is a cost-effective solution that can be expected to provide 8 to 10 years of service life extension. Before starting construction of Cape seals in residential areas, it is always a best practice to notify homeowners of the upcoming work and to let them know the coarse texture of the Phase 1 chip seal will be covered and smoothed over with the Phase 2 microsurfacing. The chip seal is constructed by applying a layer of asphalt binder over the existing pavement, immediately followed with a layer of embedded crushed stone. The binder liquid may be either an asphalt emulsion or a hot applied asphalt cement, both of which are highly effective at sealing surface cracks and stopping oxidation and raveling. After the chip seal is cured and swept, the microsurfacing can be installed in 1 or 2 lifts, fully covering and locking in the chip seal aggregate. On higher traffic roads or roads where the wheel path rutting needs to be corrected, 2 lifts of microsurfacing are generally used. By combining these 2 treatments, Cape seals offer roadway owners the restorative benefits of a chip seal with the smooth, uniform, and aesthetically more pleasing benefits of microsurfacing. Additional benefits of the Cape seal treatment include quick return to traffic, minimal loss of curb reveal, reduced environmental impact, excellent skid resistance, and delayed surface cracking. But the primary reason more and more communities are using Cape seals is to stretch their limited budgets. If milling and repaving has become too cost prohibitive for you to achieve your roadway network improvement goals, consider adding Cape seals to your pavement management toolbox. Cold in-place recycling is a long-lasting solution for heavily cracked pavements, saving up to 50% of the cost of other repair options. When a shallow mill and fill won't keep the cracks from reappearing quickly, but full-depth reclamation is too expensive and too disruptive, cold in-place recycling may be the best treatment option. By eliminating cracking and other pavement distresses up to 5 inches deep, cold in-place recycling is a durable rehabilitation process that can add 15 years or more of new service life to a road. CIR is an engineered solution designed to not only save money, but substantially reduce environmental impacts. By reusing our aggregate and petroleum-based natural resources, the recycling process can reduce energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions by as much as 90%. Indus does cold in-place recycling with foamed asphalt, which offers 2 distinct benefits for our clients. One is faster curing time to more quickly allow traffic and installation of the wearing course. And 2 is an advanced particle adhesion technique that slows the rate of reflective cracking. Candidates for the cold in-place recycling process are cored extensively to determine the appropriate recycling depth. These cores are then processed and analyzed by an independent, accredited lab to develop a job mix formula, which prescribes the proper amount of asphalt and Portland cement additives to be incorporated into the recycled pavement. By dropping and plating utility structures before recycling and then rebuilding them back to grade ahead of the wearing course paving, we construct a continuous and uniform recycled layer and eliminate the pavement problems often found around older manholes and catch basins. Indus uses only modern, state-of-the-art recycling, paving, and compaction equipment to perform this work. Our 12-foot, 6-inch wide milling drum and continuous equipment train allow us to efficiently recycle a full lane width in one pass to minimize the inconvenience to motorists and residents. To ensure the highest quality workmanship possible, our recycling team is continually monitoring each step of the recycling process, including the mixed compaction densities throughout the day. Once compacted and ready to be reopened to traffic, a light fog seal is applied to the recycled surface to seal out moisture and reduce raveling until the finished wearing course is applied. After raising any structures back to grade, a wide variety of different wearing courses can be utilized, ranging from surface treatments to hot mix asphalt overlays depending on the road's structural requirements, pavement height restrictions, traffic, and neighborhood type. Cold in-place recycling technology has rapidly advanced in recent years, and if saving up to 50% of the cost of full-depth reclamation or deeper milling and repaving is important to your roadway stakeholders, consider adding CIR to your pavement management toolbox. Stabilized full-depth reclamation, SFDR, is a long-lasting solution for heavily distressed roads where traditional mill and fill or unstabilized FDR will not provide adequate strength. When traditional, unstabilized FDR with 4 or 5 inches of new pavement on top is too expensive and too disruptive, paver-placed stabilized full-depth reclamation may be the best treatment option. By strengthening a weaker subbase and increasing the overall structural capacity, paver-placed stabilized full-depth reclamation up to 8 inches in depth is a durable rehabilitation process that can add up to 20 years or more of new service life to a road. Paver-placed SFDR is an engineered solution designed to not only save money, but substantially reduce environmental impacts. By reusing our aggregate and petroleum-based natural resources, the recycling process can reduce energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions by as much as 60%. Indus does paver-placed full-depth reclamation with foamed asphalt, which offers 3 distinct benefits for road owners. 1. Faster cure time to more quickly allow traffic and installation of the wearing course. 2. An increased structural benefit compared to milling and repaving or unstabilized FDR with new asphalt wearing surface. 3. Minimal disruption to the traveling public compared to traditional FDR that typically requires windrows and the use of a grader. Candidates for the paver-placed stabilized FDR process are cored extensively to determine the appropriate recycling depth. These cores are then processed and analyzed by an independent accredited lab to develop a job mix formula which prescribes the proper amount of asphalt and Portland cement additives to be blended into the pulverized pavement and underlying subbase mixture. By dropping and plating utility structures before reclamation and then rebuilding them back to grade ahead of the wearing course paving, we construct a continuous and uniform recycled layer and eliminate the pavement problems often found around older manholes and catch basins. Indus uses only modern, state-of-the-art recycling, paving, and compaction equipment to perform this work. Our variable width milling drum, up to 12.5 feet wide, and continuous equipment train allows us to efficiently reclaim a full lane width in one pass to minimize the inconvenience to motorists and residents. To ensure the highest quality workmanship possible, our reclamation team is continually monitoring each step of the reclamation process, including the mixed compaction densities throughout the day. Once compacted and ready to be reopened to traffic, a light fog seal is applied to the reclaimed surface to seal out moisture and reduce raveling until the finished wearing course is applied. After raising any structures back to grade, a 1.5 to 2 inch hot mix asphalt wearing surface is installed to match the required grades. Paver-placed stabilized FDR technology has rapidly advanced in recent years, and if saving up to 15% of the cost of traditional FDR and reducing the disruption to your residents and the traveling public is important to your roadway stakeholders, consider adding paver-placed stabilized full-depth reclamation to your pavement management toolbox.